First time I ever seen a dog chasing her, she's always chasing the dog.
That's because they about the same size. She's so beautiful. I had
Rough shape when I got her. She had heart burns. Hair was falling out. Real skinny.